Welcome back to the channel. I got a D105 here. Just it goes really slow. It goes like 2.5 miles an hour, and I can walk faster. The guy that owned it before said that it stopped working, and they said they changed the drive belt on it. Well, I'll show you what they did. You can see right there, it's the transmission belt here. It's a 37-410. It's supposed to be a 37-419. That's the wrong belt. This one's way too long. First thing I do is I remove the deck. It's easier to get in there. I'll post a link in the comments below how to remove the deck. Well, jack the tractor up. And put on stands here in the middle here in the frame. Bring it down nice and easy. I'm going to jack it up here till it hits the transmission. Just right there, perfect. Now there's two side brackets, one here and one on the other side. So it's going to take remove the two bolts here. Okay, there's a little clip here. It'll come out, don't lose it. And this pops out. Take one out and slack off the other. These takes a 13mm socket. Now that's supporting transmission. I'll remove the other two bolts. I'll remove that bolt later. Okay, I'm gonna lower transmission just a hair. Okay, that's about that much. All right, put your brake on, lock it in position. You're on the right hand side of the tractor. Take this rod out. And you gotta remove this wire here. We'll put that in the transmission later. Now you're gonna move this clip here and this washer. I'll lift up on it and hold it nice and easy. Let's give it a little hand here with the screwdriver. Okay, I got it. And the washer. Just pop down. I put a little tape on this rod here and one on the other side, just to hold them so they won't touch the ground. There's one more little clip here, right here. It's right in the middle of the transmission there. That needs to come out. There's no washers there, so. There you go, there, it's out. Now you can lower the transmission. Now you got the transmission lowered. You need to remove this nut so you can remove your drive belt. It's 8mm. All right, I'm gonna remove the tractor. I'm just gonna pick it up from the back. You remove your bolt here. Hold down the cap. Comes right off. Remove these 4 bolts right here. Now, if you lift this up, you're gonna have to lift it up, take the belt off. Now this comes right off. If you do that, don't panic. They go right here. These, just like that, and then put your bearing back in the slot back here. And what I do, I just lift it up a little tiny bit and rotate it like this, and then put your new belt in. Remove this clutch here and then heat the plastic here just a little bit. I'm gonna take 2 screwdrivers here. There we go. Man. What a bitch. Watch out for the washer doesn't come off. Alright, put the new pulley in here. A little persuasion here. Perfect. Alright, put that in there. Make sure those pins are in the right spot below. If you could take a screwdriver. I put a washer here underneath the bolt because this cap tends to break off. Alright, I'm gonna put a spring, put a dab of Loctite on it. They say to use crazy glue. I'm just gonna press down on it. It'll hit something. So torque to 19.5. Don't use a ratchet, you'll snap that bolt off. So when you engage the transmission, you move this forward and see the bottom clutch squeezes the belt. So that's what makes it spin. This bottom pulley is a little rusty there, I'm just gonna sand it off. The top one's good. Put my jack in the back, so get ready for the tractor. And then I'm gonna put the transmission about 45 degrees, lock her up. There's really 3 things to put on. This rod here goes in here. This one goes up there. And the other rod goes in here. And then the brackets. If I can support the transmission there a little bit. And this rod here has to be on the inside of this bracket. Alright, still about 2 more inches to go. And I take this tape off here. Lower the bracket. There you go, there's one. Okay, this is a washer. And this clip here. There's that one. Now the next one's a little tricky. Lower tractor just a little more. Now for this rod here, you're gonna have to wiggle the transmission and get in there, just like that. That's the last one. Trickiest part is to put the clip in. There you go. All right, put this electrical switch back in there. And it goes into the groove here. All right, there she goes. Bolt on this bracket on this side. I'll do the same to the other side. And I remove the spacer underneath my transmission. I'll lower it down. Don't forget to tighten these side brackets down. Alright, the last thing to go here is neutral rod. There, I'll put my clip back in. If your clip falls off there, just flatten it out when I hammer and stick it in there. There we go. If you like this video, press thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.